everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing the scent and warmer of the month for August 2020. I am really excited for this. I'm so excited to open up this warmer because it's gonna be so cute. And if you got your hands on a whiff box, then you have already smelled this amazing scent. This scent is phenomenal, and especially if you like clean, fruity scents, it's gonna be totally up your alley. But oh my goodness. So I need to start this video out by saying, this is one of those warmers where I'm going to be warning you, telling you if this is something that you are even slightly interested in, you're gonna wanna order it. Get on either my order list, get on your consultant's order list, place the order yourself as soon as it's available, because I'm telling you, this is going to go on back order and it is going to sell out pretty quickly. It's so cute. So first, we're gonna go ahead and start out with the scent, because if you have seen my whiff box video, you know that we already sniffed this out together, but oh man, it's so good. I can't get enough of this. Oh, it's so good. And so I think for me, it's just not what I was expecting. Like in the description, there is mention of melon, but I was not expecting it to be like in the forefront. This is so good. This is just, it's clean, it's fruity, it's sweet, and it's perfect. I love this. Let me tell you what Scentsy says about this, because it's spot on. Scentsy says, cool aloe vera entwined with climbing ivy and a splash of watery melon. Perfect description. I don't know why I was thinking it was, excuse me, gonna be something else. I just thought there was gonna be, I don't know. I thought Scentsy was going to overcomplicate it. Not that that's what they do on a regular basis. I just thought it's gonna be too good to be true. Like there's gonna be some kind of a woody note to it, or some kind of like cologne-y kind of feel. I don't know. That's just, I don't know why, but I think it's what the ivy was making me feel like it was going to have, like bring in some kind of wood note. I don't know why. There's no wood note in the description. That's just what I was feeling from it. I was wrong. My assumptions were all wrong. And this scent smells fantastic. If you love clean, fruity, sweet, melon-based scents, this is gonna be your jam. It's going to be your jam. Might even be club worthy. I don't know. Who knows? We'll see. But man, this is a really good one. So definitely pick that up. Now, this warmer, it's gonna be so cute. And I have yet to unbox it. We're going to unbox it here together. But the name of it is Bless This Home. And let me tell you what Scentsy's description is of this, and then we'll open it up and light her up. So bless this home, warm light shining through the windows and illuminating the stencil-cut lettering makes this house a home. Remove the roof of this tin warmer to access the dish. This is 10 inches tall with a 25-watt bulb. Do you know what a 25-watt bulb means? We can use colored bulbs. I'm so excited. I'm so excited because you can literally leave this warmer out, even with a clear bulb. You can leave this warmer out all year round, but then you can kind of schnazz it up. Like during the holidays, you can put an orange bulb in there. You can do a red bulb. This fall and winter season, we are having a blue bulb and a purple bulb that's going to be available. So that's really exciting. I want to see the blue bulb in this. I think it's going to be so super cute. So enough jabbering, Lisa. Let's get into this warmer because I am so excited. And on the inside, we always have our mission statement, and then we also have a quote from one of our co-CEOs. This one is from Orville, and he says, our lives are full of meaning because of your lives and the impact we have on the world together. So I love that. Okay, I love this. I really do. Now, calling all my real estate friends, how perfect is this warmer going to be for like closing gifts, if you do closing gifts for your clients, if you are buying a housewarming gift, this is so perfect. I love this. Okay. Now, we have, so the top of this is like this worn galvanized tin kind of feel. Super cool. So, and it even, look how cute this little chimney is. I love it. I love it. Okay. A nice, big, solid, sturdy, square dish. On the bottom of our dishes, most of our warmers, not all of our warmers, but most of our warmers, when you flip it over, you will see a little number underneath the Scentsy sign there. That number, so this is a number 4. That's just letting you know, don't put more than 4 of these cubes into this dish. You will have a waxident. Consider yourself warned. I still would, even though this is a pretty massive dish, I would probably do 3. I don't see me ever using 4 in this, but this is, like I said, it's a nice big sturdy dish, so that's exciting. Okay. And then the house portion of this warmer is white. Look at how cute this is. And this is, it's tin as well. This is just painted. So essentially you are, look at how cute this is. I love this warmer. I love this warmer. And there are windows all around the house. So there you've got these little cutouts. You've got your windows. So while the metal itself is not going to shine, you are going to have the light that's going to shine through these cutouts, and it's going to light up, bless this home. It's gonna light up this little heart and all the windows, and it's so super cute. So I'm keeping this one. And it is, it's painted white even on the inside there. So that's good. Okay, we are gonna need to plug this in. And as you saw, I did grab some of my colored bulbs so that we can play around with the different colors as well, because that's gonna be so much fun. As soon as I can, on August 1st, I'm going to be ordering some blue bulbs because I think that's gonna be so super cool. I wanna put a blue bulb in this. I do. I think it's gonna be really pretty. So 25 watt clear bulb is what comes with it. So you are good there. But if you want to purchase additional bulbs, you can. But all of our warmers do come with the bulbs. So you're good there. So screw in your bulb. Make sure you add your dish with your wax. Otherwise, you're not going to get any fragrance. And this is just going to sit just like that. So cute. Okay. How cute is this, you guys? I love it. I love this so much. I don't know where I'm putting it just yet, but this is definitely going up in my house. So see how cool this would look with the colored bulbs, because you're gonna have the different color shining through here, but the house is still gonna stay white. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, let's do green. Oh, is this hot? Okay, let's do green. So we've got our green bulb, and the colored bulbs are $2 each. So you can pick up a few if you like, and whatever color. Okay, pink. Is this on? There we go. Green. It's kind of hard to tell the color change on my camera, but it looks really green. It definitely shines through green on here. I know on my camera it's like showing up kind of white, I think, but it is very green. So that is super cool. And then what I love is that because you have that clear dish, it's shining that color up through that clear dish, and you can see it kind of pop through the holes and through the top part of the roof as well. Super, super cool. So let's try the orange bulb. So the orange bulb is gonna be similar to the clear, just probably a little softer glow. So if you are liking a softer glow, go with the orange bulb. Come on. I love this. It's so, so cute. And like I said, mark my words, it's gonna sell out. And this is the orange. This would be so cool for Halloween. Super cool for Halloween. I wonder if I set, no, if I set it back more, you still can't see. It is, it's very orange. Super cool. Okay, now let's try the red. The red, you should definitely tell the difference, I would assume. And I will get my hands on that blue bulb and it is gonna be magical. I even saw a few people put their purple bulbs in here already. The purple bulb is going to be back available. So that would be cool. But the purple bulb for me, it just doesn't shine bright enough. There we go. Now we've got some red. This is very red. This is super cool. This would be really cool during the holidays for sure. So neat. I love it. I love it. Like I said, this is going to make like the perfect housewarming gift. If, like I said, if you're a realtor, snag a bunch of these for some closing gifts because this is going to be, it's going to be great. This is, and so we didn't even talk about pricing. So this is going to be available starting August 1st, $45 US, $59.40 Canadian. So definitely feel free to contact myself or contact your consultant and get on the list to get this warmer and scent ordered for you because it's so, so cute and it smells so good. So really, really cute. Love this. Only available while supplies last, so consider yourself warned. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.